Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. We're out here on our project in Lee Summit, Missouri. This is our 21 pier project. We have 6 King Pier 1s, 15 of our King Pier 2s, all around the sides of this home to get its footing raised back up to its correct level elevation. Right now we are about 15 holes down. We're finishing up the 14th and the 15th one right now. All the ones that you see here with plywood covering, we got those finished up last week and earlier this week. So now we are getting very close to having the holes finished up, and then once everything is done being excavated, we will be able to do the first pour of high strength concrete for our 6 King Pier 1 holes, and then we can start getting our piers in, get the footing raised back up, and do the final pour of concrete once everything is level. The remaining 6, we have one right here on the front step here. It's kind of leaning to the side here, so we're going to excavate under here. This will be a small one, but the rest we are going to get placed in strategic places along the front of this house, and that is pretty much it. So this is a project where during our excavation process we ran into a lot of pre-existing piers. This home was piered previously. Obviously, the previous company did not get the footing raised back to level, so the customers unfortunately had to get the job done by the right folks, and that's us with King Piers. So this is a easy project for us. Just a lot of excavation to do beforehand, but once we get that first pour of concrete in, once we get the piers in, it's going to go very, very quickly. So stay tuned for more updates as we get through here. In Lee Summit, you'll be able to find those on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, again, please leave a like and subscribe. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.